What's up, Crypto Crew, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Captain Crypto Mite, actively escaping the Matrix, scoping out the crypto ocean. So if you like your odds, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Into the boat!
Crypto Crew, with Kaspa's groundbreaking 10 blocks per second upgrade, upcoming stablecoin integration, and smart contracts on the horizon, Kaspa is making waves on the crypto ocean. Stay tuned.
The most recent update on Kaspa is that we will have a 10 BPS. By 10 BPS, we mean you're going to have 10 blocks per second. It means the network can generate 10 blocks per second, and you have more blocks. You should always think about the number of blocks you may be able to get, and you should always choose the chain that gives you the largest possible number of blocks. So that is the thesis for this presentation today. So what does 10 BPS actually mean, or what do more blocks bring, right? Because a very common interpretation would be, well, this means higher block rates, right? It means you can generate blocks more quickly. I won't say this is a wrong or this is a misinterpretation, but I think it means more than that. It is, of course, true that Kaspa will generate blocks per 0.1 second, which is 100 milliseconds. That is good. It is significantly faster than Bitcoin and Ethereum. And of course, it's also faster than Sui and Solana block-wise. I understand this is a different concept than TPS. I will get to those very shortly. But I also want to use this as an opportunity to explain to you that Kaspa has always been active in the crypto field, even if it's not as known as Ethereum and Bitcoin.
Prove all things, hold fast that which is good. Caspians know what they hold, as Kaspa is a digital asset, the digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold. So like all assets, we encourage you to protect them. It's great to practice self-custody, and we believe the Tangent Wallet is your best option. Plug and play, easy to use, the most affordable cold storage in our opinion. So if you'd like to order your Tangent Wallet today, you can get 10% off using code CryptoCrew, link in the description box below. Thanks so much for your consideration and support in advance, and may the Lord Jesus Christ bless you all. Crypto Crew, let's talk about the 10 blocks per second or 10 BPS upgrade. This is a huge milestone for Kaspa, as this upgrade was successfully launched on the testnet, proving that a proof of work can scale without compromising security or decentralization. And here's a fun fact: Michael Sutton, one of Kaspa's key developers, rewrote the entire codebase in Rust to make this upgrade possible. This is what Kaspa FUDers, people who are focused on Kaspa from a technical analysis point of view, simply do not see.
But the big growth is already priced in. Do not expect these ladyboys' predictions to come to fruition, because it's already big market cap. It's already 4 or 5 billion market cap. And they're calling for another 100x. It will put you Kaspa bigger market cap than Ethereum. For God's sake, this is total nonsense, man.
I want to see me be wrong. I want me to be the butt end of this joke. I don't want to see people getting hurt, right?
Here's a realistic price prediction for Kaspa that's not pushed by bots or just blatant lies. It's going to zero. This project is an absolute dumpster fire. I've said it over and over again. There's nothing at all of value here.
They're telling you that they're selling Kaspa to hold more Bitcoin.
Your project is the most worthless project that ever existed. I have no idea why it's so much. No one cares. No one is. I'm super excited about going and getting in the Kaspa ecosystem. It's all early people, guys. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Where do you think all this money's coming from?
There is no such thing as bad publicity.
Running on 10 blocks per second makes Kaspa 6,000 times faster than Bitcoin and about 4 times faster than Solana. This upgrade is a testament to Kaspa's innovative GhostDAC protocol, which allows blocks to be processed in parallel rather than sequentially. So why does this matter for you as an investor? Well, the 10 BPS upgrade could act as a major catalyst for Kaspa's price. With faster transactions and improved scalability, Kaspa is positioning itself as a leader on the crypto ocean. Also, institutions are starting to take notice. For example, Ice River, the largest Kaspa miner manufacturer, just announced new home miners and filed for a 15 million IPO with Nasdaq. This signals growing institutional interest in Kaspa, which could drive adoption and ultimately the price per Kaspa coin.
We do intend to do a community token sale in the future. Okay. Pending legal opinion, given how quickly regulation landscape changes, Yeah. And our tokenomics is designed to incentivize builders and users and the IGRA community to foster adoption. Like the moment our system is going to not just support 10,000 transactions per second, we do believe that people will discover IGRA as a better infrastructure in terms of security and decentralization for their decentralized apps. And unique Kaspa properties, Kaspa block DAG properties will speak for themselves.
Now let's talk about the supply shock that is brewing. Kaspa's emission schedule is aggressively reducing, with block rewards currently at 62 Kaspa per block. Combine this with the increased demand from miners and investors, and you've got the perfect recipe for a supply squeeze. Then Binance has started distributing rewards to Kaspa miners. It will take a couple of working days from the making of this recording, which is a big boost confidence for this project. And with the potential for tier 1 exchange listings next to Binance, we could see massive influx of new buyers. This is where things can get really exciting. But wait, there's more. Kaspa isn't stopping at 10 BPS. The team is working on integrating stablecoins, with USDT expected to launch on the network by May 2025. This will bring more liquidity and adoption to the Kaspa ecosystem.
And also comparing to the rest of the chains here, I will again elaborate in a second, that Kaspa is in general more decentralized. It means that these blocks can include more transactions. These blocks can also invite or be more inviting to more miners and more nodes to build a decentralized network. This is specifically true when comparing to the specific mechanism employed by other chains. For instance, most of these chains like Tron or Solana, they're employing a leader-based consensus mechanism. That is to say, they have a super node or leader node that is elected or selected on the chain or the network. And in this regard, Kaspa is definitely more decentralized because you have just so many nodes and there are no super nodes, no election on Kaspa. So I guess in the next question here, why decentralization actually matters, right? Because more and more users today just focus on the UI and UX. They don't care about what kind of infrastructures they're using anymore. To our understanding, we think that decentralization is the same thing as security. And these have multiple layers of meanings that I'll explain here. I do understand when people care about programmability, when care about the speed, cares about scalabilities, we have to emphasize these things must happen with the premise of decentralization and security, or otherwise this is no different from you using a Web2 product. And that is a spirit most people lose already.
Now Johnny from Casplex tweeted this out a few days ago, quote, "In fact, I don't know if you have some magic or what, but we just had a meeting with Ether. Wolfie is also in that meeting. The question now is if it is bridged USDT on Kaspa or USDT native to Kaspa." To be continued, Crypto Crew.
There is so much to say about smart contracts and how cool they're going to be on Kaspa and how they're going to give you the best of both worlds, and how, because Kaspa is so fast, you can do the entire validation on-chain with this unique MEV resistance and still get responsiveness as though you are doing the sync off-chain.
And that's not all. Smart contracts are coming too. 2 testnets for smart contracts are expected to launch by the end of Q1 2025. This will open up a whole new world of possibilities for Kaspa, from DeFi or decentralized financial applications to NFTs and beyond. So what makes Kaspa a potential game changer? Simple. Scalability, security, innovation, all while staying fully decentralized. The 10 BPS upgrade proves that proof of work can scale, stablecoins will bring liquidity, and smart contracts will expand use cases for Kaspa. Plus, Kaspa's faster halving schedule compared to Bitcoin means we're looking at a supply crunch like we've never seen before. With continuous monthly developments planned, Kaspa is positioning itself as one of the hottest Layer 1 projects on the crypto ocean. This could be the last chance to get in before the next big wave of adoption. Not financial advice, of course, just my personal conviction that I share with conviction.
We've got Marathon Digital mining Kaspa over other proof of work coins next to Bitcoin. We've got Grayscale and hedge funds starting to invest into Kaspa. We've got Casplex. We've got the Crescendo fork taking it to 10 blocks per second. And you're bearish on Kaspa right now?
To wrap things up, Crypto Crew, Kaspa's on the verge of something truly groundbreaking. From the 10 blocks per second upgrade to stablecoins and smart contracts, contracts, this crypto project simply is setting itself apart on a crowded crypto ocean. But if you don't have faith today, you will miss out on the pay of tomorrow, lacking the conviction to cover in between. Prove all things, hold fast that which is good. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, Crypto Crew.
Stick around.
Fix your mind before you get to the grind. And with that said, let's continue to escape the matrix. Let's continue to be on the lookout for the next big thing here on the crypto ocean. Grow in grace, and let's make some crypto waves. Say aye.